Hello, Headstart learners! Today we are learning about singular and plural nouns. Let's go! A singular noun names one person, place, animal, or thing. A plural noun names more than one.
For example, this is my brother. Right here. There's only one brother. All right, let's look at some more examples.
My brother plays in his bedroom. These are singular nouns.
So where's the singular nouns? My brother, there's one brother. And there's one bedroom.
That's correct. Now here, there are more than one person. They are my sisters. We have added an S to sister. So the boy has two sisters, more than one.
Boop, two.
And they are all taking selfies.
All right, next one. Underline the singular nouns and circle the plural nouns.
The dog runs after some squirrels in the park. Let's first look for a singular noun. Where is the noun?
We have to underline it. Okay, there's only one, so...
Dog.
There.
There is only one dog. It does not have an S at the end of the word.
Okay, my turn. Let me find the plural nouns. So circle the plural nouns. Right here, I see an S right here. Squirrels. Squirrels is plural.
That's correct. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 squirrels in the picture.
All right, let's do another example.
Again, we are going to underline the singular nouns and circle the plural nouns. She has a book and some pens in her bag.
Okay, let me find the singular noun. So there's one. One of something. Look, means one. So book. A book. So underline a book. Is there another one? Something that does not end with an S. So a noun. Oh, here's another one. Bag. There's no S at the end of bag. So that means there's only one bag. So I found two singular nouns.
You can see the book on her blanket. On her lap, she is writing into a notepad. They are not the same. So there is only one book.
They're different. Okay.
Now let's look for the plural noun. There's one at the beginning of the sentence. Oh, no, that's a pronoun.
It has to be at the end of a noun.
There it is. Pens. That means she has more than one pen in her bag. She has a few pens.
All right, let's move on.
Now, to make a noun plural, we usually add an S at the end of the word. For example, apples. If a word ends in S, X, CH, or SH, we add ES to make the noun plural.
So for example, look, dish ends with SH. So we don't just add an S, we add, that's correct, ES. And same with bench. It ends with CH. Look, right here it says CH. If it ends with CH, you add, that's right,
ES.
Yes, ES. So let's do some examples together.
They are chopping wood with an axe. The singular form is axe. Because it ends in an X, we need to add...
What do we add? That's right.
ES.
ES.
So the plural form is axes. So the word changes too.
Yes, let's move on. Let's do some more. So, bus is the singular form. So how do we make it into plural?
We add ES.
That's right.
Buses.
Can we handle some more?
Of course. Let's move on.
So, fish is a singular form.
If we want to make it plural, we can add es, but fish is a tricky word. If we add es, it means we are talking about different species of fish. For example, we are talking about clownfish, starfish, pufferfish. If we are counting fish, we do not need to add es. We say there are 6 fish in the tank.
Oh, that's kind of tricky. So depending on what you're talking about, you can add es or not es.
That's correct.
All right, just so you know. All right, let's do another one. Ooh, that looks good. So, singular form of peach.
Ends in ch.
Yes. So that means we have to add
es.
es if you want to make it plural.
Now it's peaches. How many peaches can we see? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 peaches. Now we're going to look at some other examples of plural nouns.
To change a singular noun ending in f or fe into a plural noun, we change the f or fe to a v and add es. Wow, that's a lot of steps there.
Now let's look at some examples. We have the word calf. If we change it to plural, we add ves. Now it becomes calves.
And then same with wife. It ends with fe. We change it to wives. So you take the fe and then you change it to ves.
That's correct.
So look at leaf. Okay? So what do we do here? Do you remember? What do we do with the f?
Yes, we change it into a v and then we add es. Leaf becomes leaves.
All right.
The leaves are falling.
Great. All right. Now let's play a game together.
Yes, let's go. Let's play a game. What game is this? Let's have a look.
Whoa.
Whoa. Boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool. We are going to play a game of concentration. You have to match the singular noun to the plural noun.
What do? I'm just gonna pick a card. Oh.
Apple. So we are looking for the plural form of apple.
Here? Oh, that ain't it.
Oh, this is hard. Let's try another.
Box. X.
Boxes. We need boxes. Which? Dish. Oh, can you remember where dish was?
I think it was over here. Here?
To the left.
This one?
This one, I think. Dish and bottom left.
So that's singular.
Yep.
And here's the plural.
You add es.
Boom! Yes.
Let's go. There we go.
Peaches. So that's the plural.
Singular form is peach.
Oh, yeah.
And we will let you play this game by yourself. As you can see, it's difficult. There are so many singular and plural nouns to find. We hope you have fun playing this game.
Yes, match all the singular nouns with the plural nouns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, imagine how much more you can learn with our full year online grammar class for grade 2. Get full access to all our lessons, fun games, practice quizzes, and engaging worksheets designed to give you a head start in grammar. Don't miss out. Click in the link below and we will see you in class.